The tools you will need are a 4mm hex wrench, a 5mm hex wrench, a pair of cutters, and a multi-bit screwdriver handle. You will also need some rubbing alcohol or a similar cleaner. Pull the plastic side panel away from the seat and gas tank. Using the 4mm hex wrench, remove the seat bolt. Repeat this process on the other side of the motorcycle. Using the 5mm hex wrench, remove the two gas tank mount bolts. Rotate the steering damper up and out of the way. Rotate the gas tank up and back and use some bungee cords to hold it up. Under the gas tank, locate the speed sensor coupler and unplug it. After separating the speed sensor coupler, plug in both the male and female connectors from the SpeedoHealer's harness. Route the wires along the inside of the motorcycle fairings. Use some zip ties to secure the wires. Cut off the ends of the zip ties. Continue routing the wires to the desired location and secure them with more zip ties. Find a suitable location to attach the SpeedoHealer module. Clean the surface with an alcohol pad or a similar cleaner. Make sure the surface is completely dry. Remove the backing from the adhesive and attach the SpeedoHealer module to the selected location. Press the module firmly into place. Find a suitable location for the remote button and attach it with zip ties. Route the remote button wire along the inside of the fairings and secure it with zip ties. Plug the wires from the harness and the remote button into the SpeedoHealer module. Make sure the ignition is turned off. Press and hold the SEL button while you turn the ignition on. The letter T for test is indicated on the display, and the speedometer will read something other than 0. Rotate the rear wheel. The letter T should be blinking as the wheel turns. This means the unit is working correctly. Press SEL to exit from test mode. Open the SpeedoHealer app. Select the option for Estimated. Enter the values for your factory sprocket set and your current sprocket set. Enter the values for your factory tire size and your current tire size. Press the Generate button, and the instructions to configure the SpeedoHealer for your current sprocket set and tire size will be displayed. Turn the ignition on and then press both buttons on the unit until the letter L is indicated. Then the sign of the calibration value will be blinking, minus for negative and P for positive. Press SEL to proceed to the first digit of the calibration value. Press Set repeatedly until the desired value is shown. Repeat this step until all digits are entered. After the last digit has been entered, press SEL to exit from programming mode. O for over is shown, and then the unit will display the programmed digits in order, just like any time the ignition is turned on. Remove the bungee cords and put the gas tank back down into position. Then rotate the steering damper back into place and install the gas tank mounting bolts. Reinstall the seat. Use the multi-bit screwdriver handle to make sure the seat mounting bolts are tight, because they tend to vibrate out if they're not very tight. Reinstall the plastic side panels.